Little Cash.
See bright colors on my back. And why does my parents seem to have a son? Well, there's a reason for the things that I have on. I wear the black for the poor and the beaten down, living in the hopeless, hungry side of town. I wear it for the prisoner who is long paid for his crime, but he's there because he's the victim all the time. I wear the flag for those who'll never read or listen to the word that Jesus said about the road to happiness through love and charity. Why you think he's talking straight to you and me? Well, we're doing mighty fine, I do suppose. And I streak so lightly cars and fancy clothes, but just so we're reminded of the ones who are held back, of thrones there all to be a man in black. I wear it for the sick and the lonely old, for the reckless one who bad trips left them cold. I wear the black in mourning for the life that could have been. Each week we're losing hundreds fine young men. And I wear it for the thousand who have died, believing that the Lord was on their side. And I wear it for another 100,000 who have died, believing that we all were on their side. Well, their fame it never will be right, I know. And things need changing everywhere you go. But till we start to make a move, to make a few things right, you'll never see me wear unsuited white. Oh, I love to wear the rainbow every day and tell the world that everything is okay. But I try to carry up a little darkness on my back till the things are brighter. I'm the man in black. I hear the train a-coming, it's rolling around the bend, and I see the sun shines in, I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But a train keeps rolling, all down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always being a good boy, don't ever play with gun. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. Rich folks seen from the fancy dining car, they probably drink coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming, I know I can't be free. that was torture. From this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I let a lonesome whistle blows my blues away.
City of New Orleans.
City of New Orleans. Riding on the city of New Orleans, the Illinois Central Monday morning rail. 15 cars, 15 railroad riders, 3 conductors, 24 sacks or mill. All along the soundbound Odyssey, the train rolls out of Kankakee, moves along past houses, farms and fields. Peasant towns that have no name, switchyards for old black men, graveyard full of rest or automobiles. Good morning, American, how are you? Saying, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I've been gone 500 miles when the day is done. Dealing car with the old man on the club car. Nobody keeping score. Hey, now won't you pass the paperback holiday bottle? Feel the wheels rumble and near the floor. And the sons of Pullman porters and the sons of engineers ride that for the magic coppers made of steel. Where the baby sleep, rocking to the gentle beat, and the rhythm of their rills is all they feel. Good morning, American, how are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I've been gone 500 miles. Nighttime on the city of New Orleans. Changing car, Memphis, Tennessee. Highway home, we'll be there by morning. Through the Mississippi darkness, rolling around to the sea. And all the towns are the people see. They feed into the bad dream, and that's still real. Heard at near. The doctors sing this song again. Passenger will flee the train got to disappear. Railroad blue. Good morning, American, how are you? Say, don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. I've been gone 500 miles when the day is done. I've been gone 500 miles when the day is done. was no way to hold my hand that didn't hurt. And the beer I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. Then I fumbled through my closet, through my clothes to find my cleanest dirty shirt. Then I washed my face and combed my hair, stumbled down the stairs to meet the deer. I smoked my mind the night before with cigarettes and songs I've been picking. But I left my furs and watched the smoking cause where can that be were kicking. Then I walked across the street and caught a Sunday smile of somewhere frying chicken. Took me back to something that I lost somewhere, somehow along the way. On the Sunday morning sidewalk, I wish the Lord that I was stoned. Cause there's something in the Sunday making body feel low. Dying, half as lonesome as the sound on the city's sleepy sidewalk. Sunday morning coming down. In the park I saw an Eddie with a little laughing girl he was swinging. And I stopped beside a Sunday school, listened to the songs that they were singing. Then I headed down the road, and some far away of lonely bell was ringing. And it echoed through the canyons like a disappearing dream of yesterday. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, I wish the Lord that I was stoned. Cause there's something in a Sunday making body feel low. Oh, there ain't nothing short of dying, half as lonesome as the sound. City's sleepy sidewalk, Sunday morning coming down. He stood on the ground, he weighed 235 pounds, but I saw the giant of the man broke down to his knees by love. He was the kind of man that will gamble and luck, look in your eye and never back up. But I saw him crying like a little weird pup because of love. You can't see it with your eyes, holding in your hand, but like the wind there covers our land. Strong will ever root the heart of any man, this thing called love. It could let you up, never let you down, take your world and turn all around. Ever since time, nothing ever been found stronger than love. Oh, men like me, they struggle to doubt, trouble their minds day in and day out. It's a busy world living to worry it out. Let a word like love. Oh, when I see happiness as she holds the young close to her breast. Then I thank God that the world been blessed with a thing called love. You can see it with your eyes, holding in your hand, but like the wind that covers our land, gonna let through the heart of any man this thing called love. It can let you up, never let you down, take your world and turn it around. Ever since time, nothing ever been found stronger than love. Ever since time, nothing ever been found stronger than love. 10 years ago, on a cold, dark night, someone was killed near the town hall lights. There were few at the scene, but they all agreed. Then the slayer who ran looked a lot like me. Now she walks the hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night winds wave. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. The scaffold was high and eternity is near. She stood in the crowd, shed not a tear. But sometimes at night, when the cold wind blows in a long black veil, she cries over my bones. Now she walks the hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night winds wave. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. The judge said, son, what is your alibi? If you were somewhere else, then you won't have to die. Then I spoke not a word, though I made my life, for I've been in the arms of my best friend's wife. Now she walks the hills in a long black veil. She visits my grave when the night winds wave. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. Nobody knows, nobody sees, nobody knows but me. Nobody knows but me.
De volgende nummer die heet Ghost Riders in the Sky.
Riding out when dark and windy, upon the raging rest that has winds him along his way. heard all red eye cause you soul through the ragged sky. And up its cloudy road. The branch was still on fire and they was with middle school. They horse black and shiny and they hop brand eagles feel. I want to be way through him as they wander through the sky. With some riders coming hard, and they heard a noble cry. Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yay. Those riders in the sky. But he ain't called it yet. 'Cause they got to ride forever, all their angel in the sky. Oh, Lord, fire. As a ride of me they cry. As the ride blown down by him, he heard what called his name. Soul from hell, riding on our range. Then cowboy change your waist to the old widows, you were right. Ride against the devil's earth, across trees in the sky. Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yay. I keep the close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the time to bind. Because you're mine, I'll walk the line. I found it very easy to be true. I find myself alone each day through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you. sure as night is dark and day is light, I'll keep you on my mind both day and night. And happiness I know prove that it's right, because you're mine, I'll walk the line. You've got a way to keep me on your side. You give me cause for love that I can't hide. For you I know I even trying to turn the tide, because you're mine, I'll walk the line. I keep the close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the time to bind, because you're mine, I'll walk the line.
Dankjewel, dankjewel.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle stares the hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. I wear this crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts I cannot repair. Beneath the stains of time, the feeling disappeared. You are someone else, and I am still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burned, burned, burned. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burned, burned, burned. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours